Welcome back to MOTOBLADE, guys. Today's kind of a sad day. It's going to be my last day that I will be riding. Today will be the last day I'm riding the Ninja 650. Y'all thought I was giving up motorcycles. Yeah, right. It's been a good bike. I've had it for a year. It's been a lot of fun. And there's actually a lot of videos that I have filmed that you guys will be seeing coming out that are, you know, backlogged in my editing. So there's still plenty of Ninja 650 content to come. I want to take this girl out for one last ride before she goes away. I'm not selling her. I'm trading her in. She's been a great bike, a great sport bike. It's been a lot of fun to ride this thing. She's got just great power, great handling, very nimble, a lot of fun. Did my first true wheelie, power wheelie with this thing. You know, memories like that. It's those kind of fun things that we do in motorcycling that we're never going to forget. And it's been a fantastic motorcycle. I did a lot of work on it with my dad. We got film of that, so we've got those memories of working on this bike together. But for me personally, it is time for me to move on from the sport bike world. I have discovered over the past year, as much fun as this little sport bike is, that I really prefer to ride on a cruiser for lots of different reasons. I started on the Kawasaki Vulcan S650, which was a cruiser. I then went to another cruiser, the Indian Chief. And of course, if you guys are on my channel, you know what my current bike is. My main bike is the Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. I love that thing. It's fantastic. So you guys know that I'm a cruiser guy. And having this sport bike was a fun entry into the sport bike world. I've enjoyed it. I've learned a lot from it, actually. My riding skills have improved having this bike because I've learned different skill set in certain ways riding a sport bike over a cruiser. So I mentioned that I'm going to be trading this motorcycle in. I am not trading it in for a car, as my grandmother so adamantly suggested. I am trading this in for a different motorcycle. And I think you guys will be very pleased with the choice. I think it's going to be a lot of fun for the channel. I know I'm going to have a lot of fun working on it and doing some cool projects with it, but I'm not going to show that to you guys in this video. I'm going to leave you hanging until the next video when we do a full bike reveal. And I just wanted to let this video stand on its own as the tribute to the Ninja 650 and the last ride on this girl. So we're going to go through Smuggler's Notch up here, take her for one last fun little ride through a scenic area. And then we are headed to the dealership. This is one of the prettiest areas in the state of Vermont, I think, to ride. It's not very long. It's only this little stretch through the notch. You have Smuggler's Notch Resort on one side and Stowe Mountain Resort on the other, and then the town of Stowe. If you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. It's the big red button. Click the bell icon next to it. That will give you guys notifications when there are new videos to watch right here on MOTOBLADE. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, y'all be careful out there. Ride safe, ride on. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.